you go. You're perfect. You even covered it. That's good, yes? I just set it up 2 minutes ago and you're already in it, testing it? Hey everyone, I am back with another smart self-cleaning litter box. And this time, it is the Furrytail. I have been wanting to review this box and I finally got it. And the first thing I noticed was the mat that came with the system. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Furrytail. So what is great about this litter box is just about everything. The price for one, so you can find this online and their website. Their price is usually on sale, so I wouldn't pay their full price. I mean, I would for this one if this is the one that you want, but it does go on sale, and right now it is $3.39. So this is priced in the budget-friendly category. This is not a high-end price litter box, but it is a high-end litter box, if that makes sense to you guys. I've had it for over a week. It has not had any problems. I have been getting some really good review units, guys. They're a lot better than they used to be. This one is clean, no smell. So I would say 10 out of 10 on smell. The cleanliness of it, it's been a week. Let's give it a look. Is it clean? Does it pass your inspection? John? John, is it clean? John's like, I'm eating. Oh, you can go back and eat. So John lets Pixar eat sometimes. I brought the food over here to entertain you guys with the cats too. So as you can see, it's pretty clean. I'm looking at it right now for the first time in a week. Because you guys know when I do the reviews, I want to give you my honest review up front. I left the little sticker in there. You guys can see the litter. I didn't fill it all the way up to the line. So I would say it uses average litter. There's still quite a bit in there. And you can see it's clean. So let's trigger this. Oh yeah. For this price, it even has an LED light. Now this can be turned on or off. I've left it on to see how it does. I'll show you all this. Let's trigger it. Got my little espresso yourself. Let's pour that in there. That's a big mess. Let's see if I can activate it. Okay, I activated it. And when a cat is in there, it actually shows their weight on the screen, which is pretty cool. John is typically 11.2 pounds, and Pixar is about 11.9. You can see litter is just, whenever it gets wet, yeah, it's pretty gross. I didn't even, here, let's just, whatever. Okay, so this is on sale for $3.39 at the time of this filming, and I hope to get this posted within the next week. This is where the waste goes. So it has a trash bag system that goes over this little magnetized clamp. A really nice system that holds it in there, and everything gets thrown down in this bag. Now what this does have, budget-friendly ones typically don't have this, but in the app, I just looked, it says 57% full. And this has been a week with 2 cats. John's been going in it a lot more than Pixar. So I would say 1.5 cats have been going in this. I have seen Pixar going in there, but John is my test cat. Right, John? Right, John? We're gonna see it cycle here. Now with this door open, there is a smell. It's not super strong. I'm kind of surprised because it's a really thin plastic bag. They give you 80 of them when you buy this. So you have like a year's worth. There's not a strong smell, but obviously you're not gonna open this up and play with it. This closes, snaps shut, sealed shut. And as you guys can see in here, it is sealed at the top. That door will open when it cycles and then lets the waste through, and then when it comes back, it closes. So when I'm sitting here right now, there's no smell at all. And that's the number one thing with self-cleaning litter boxes. You do not want to buy a cheap one that smells awful after 3 days. They recommend you change this every 3 to 4 days. I just wait for the app to tell me that it's full, so I can maximize my savings on those plastic bags. The app does show their weight. You can adjust the timing. I had it set for 6 minutes. For this video, I just changed it to 3 minutes. So now that I triggered it in 3 minutes, it's gonna self-clean, and I'm gonna show you guys that. It does have, like I said, it has the LED display. There's even a leveling function on the app. You can do it from the display also, where if you can level out the litter. So when you go and put 3 or 4 scoops in here to top it off, you hit the level button and it kind of moves and levels it out. Very nice looking litter box. It is super quiet when it runs, and you're gonna hear that. It does come with a year's worth of bags, like I said, and it comes with this mat. Really cool mat. Very friendly company too. If you have to reach out to them, their customer service will take care of you. Again, that light can be turned on and off from the app, so everything is done through the app. This one, for the price, actually for a lot of the things that, all the ones that I reviewed on this channel, you guys can go back and look at them. If they smell bad, I'm gonna let you know. But the last few that I've had, it's kind of the same. They're great. And this one has the cheapest price tag. Especially if you can catch it on sale. You can buy it on their website, and you can go to furrytail.com, or you can go to Amazon. You can purchase this through the link. We will have a link down in the description there, and you can purchase this and get it at a discount price. And while you're thinking about that, hit that thumbs up button for John. John. Okay, he's eating. Yeah, if you can just take a second, hit that like button. And I have another litter box I'm getting ready to review after I take this one and clean it up and put a different one in its place. It's very similar to this. I don't know what my expectations are on the next one. But again, we will review it, and I will be honest. So stay tuned to the channel for more litter box reviews coming soon. Okay, this should cycle, but what I'm thinking, why I'm thinking about that, safety. If you get near this litter box, if you get near the opening, it will stop cycling. So as I'm playing around it and looking in it and opening the door and all that, I think we keep resetting the timer. So it's not going to cycle if a cat is in there or trying to play around. If you got a curious cat, like Pixar, right? He's a curious cat, so this thing starts to cycle, he's going to run over and try to mess with it, and it's going to stop. So safety, it's going to keep your cat safe. There are some litter boxes on the market that are just not safe, and I won't review them. I even had a company reach out to me that I reviewed another litter box, and they wanted to make sure that they wanted to kind of look over Adam's channel to make sure we don't have any of the dangerous litter boxes that we reviewed and missed that cats can get pinched. And as you guys know, I love my cats and never want to harm any of them. So there's no way I could There's no way I could tell you this is a great litter box, even if they paid me. And they're not paying me for this. I just won't do that. It would be horrible if you bought a litter box that was unsafe. So, we're gonna wait another. Actually, I'm just gonna go on and cycle it from the menu. Like I said, I've never had an issue with it. They go in, they go to the bathroom, it cleans itself. Let's give it about 30 more seconds here. And if not, I'll just do a clean cycle. Are you done eating? Man. Can Pixar eat now? Here, Pixar, you can come eat. Right? Okay guys, watch how Pixar eats. Doesn't like to eat out of the metal pan. Isn't that cute? And he eats like one at a time. He's like the slowest eater. He likes to play with stuff on the floor too. All right, I just thought I'd let you guys see that. See, he's gonna play with this food. So I'll let you guys see that while we're waiting for this to cycle. It doesn't look like it's gonna cycle for some reason, so let's, I may not have pushed on it. I think the cat has to be in there for more than 10 seconds or something, but let's go in and manually do it. So clean cycle, I'm gonna push this button. And you see how quiet it is. That door open, that door is gonna open. See how I got close to it? It stopped. Again, safety. I'm gonna move back real slow. I want you guys to see this. That's kind of an excessive clump. That is more than a cat's gonna go. Unless they're having a urinary tract infection or something and they're sick. Again, guys, fantastic litter box. Go to Furrytail, research it on Google, watch a couple more videos, but trust that you're gonna be buying a great litter box. And the door should close here in a second, so there'll be no more smell. Okay, that door is closed. And here comes the clean litter. A little bit of a, it's got a silicone pad on the bottom, so if they do urinate and your litter's a little low, like right now this litter's low. So if I would have had a couple more inches of litter in there, that little smear wouldn't have been on the bottom, but it's not a big deal because it's a waterproof mat. But keeping the proper amount of litter will keep this cleaner because you do not want their waste smearing against that little grate and above it. You can see there's some smear there, but it's not very dirty for a week. So every week or two when you add litter, just clean it up with a rag and you're good to go. It's done. Very fast cycle, one of the fastest on the market. It's quick, but with the safety, no concerns. So yeah, thank you for coming to this channel. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. It is free. And we will be doing more videos. And thank you so much. And hopefully if you're in the market for a smart litter box, this video helped you out and you could purchase one. And if not, look back at other videos and see what you guys think. And there goes Pixar playing again. Thanks guys, and have a fantastic week.